Okay, so here we are on part 2. I'm gonna construct my craft table. My husband and I went out yesterday and we bought the rest of what we were gonna need, or I'm gonna need to put it all together. So what I came up with, instead of getting a piece of plywood cut out that I would have to sand down and refinish myself, we found a door. It's a solid, well, it's not solid wood, it is hollow on the inside. It's Luan, and it's 36 by 80 inches. And yeah, so I'm going to use this as the tabletop. And of course the two 9-hole cubicles, and that's going to be the support. And then I'm going to cut out a couple of pieces of this to fit on top here for when I set the door on top as the tabletop so that it won't slide around. I have the 6 cubicle over there on the other side of the wall that I'm going to use kind of as a center support, just to give it a little extra in the middle. And what I found when I did my measurements, it's just a tiny bit shorter than these are. So we bought some shims, and I thought, well, we'll just kind of put those in the middle and make up for some of the height difference. All right, and what I did here, I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but the company sends you, I think, 5. So we've got 9 holes here, and they send you 5 of the backing pieces to put on there. So I've got 10 of those, which leaves 4 blank spaces in the back. So what I did is I just used some old cardboard boxes, and I cut out the same size, basically. And I didn't want just plain cardboard showing through, so I went through some of my scrapbook paper and I picked out some patterns that I liked, and I just used some Mod Podge and glued them on, and yeah, that's kind of what I came up with. So I'm going to use one of each of these patterns on the back to fill in the other 4 that would normally be open back. And you know, if it doesn't work, it's cool. If it works and I don't like it, the look of it, I'll just, rip them off. But hopefully I'm gonna like it, and yeah, we'll see. So I've got my hammer, I'm ready to go, and I've got my nails. So that is the next step. I'm gonna get all these bad boys onto the backs, and I will move on to putting the rest of the table together, and I will show you the finished product in the next part. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember that thumbs up. I'll see you soon. Bye, and be kind to each other. Don't ever forget that. That's the most important thing. Bye. Till later.